So you all know Figure 8 Circuit, right? It's that Mario Kart DS track that's in the shape of a well, you're probably aware that a few months ago I showed off this Figure 1 circuit where, you know, it's Figure 8 circuit in a straight line. And in that video, I talked about how I could make Figure 8 circuit basically any shape. I can put a Bezier curve and set the course to follow the Bezier curve. So I could make as many different shapes out of this course as I want to. So, you've seen the title. We have Figure 8 circuit here in the exact shape of DS Rainbow Road. Now, it's not perfect. In fact, it's not even good. And this isn't, you know, Rainbow Road modeled to look like Figure 8 circuit. It is bad, but why am I here? Let's be a bit more careful. This is literally, I'm trying to go around the loop. I'm just going to ignore the loop. This is Rainbow Road. I got Rainbow Road. I traced it out using a path. And then I just set my Figure 1 circuit to follow the path. You may notice that there is a lot more missing on the course compared to the normal version. That's because having about 3 to 4 Figure 8 circuits is not really good for the game. So I had to get rid of a lot. But you know, it's still very much the track. It is Figure 8 circuit in Rainbow Road. You may have seen that the loops, they don't really take you upside down because I really didn't want to deal with this. This is, you've seen how jank everything is. You think going upside down would work? Granted, what's currently happening also isn't working. Come on, let's go. Let's do the loop where you remain upright. Ah, yeah, the corkscrew also intersects it because, you know, this is well made. You see, it's perfectly functional. The only thing that I've changed here in terms of like the checkpoints, the respawn points, all that junk, is where the cart spawns you. I haven't checked everything. I don't even know if CPUs work. But shortcut. It's. Why'd you want to play this? Why is the spinning star a tree? I'm off the edge! But yeah, the checkpoints work because it's literally a trace of Rainbow Road. Like, it's so stupid. And like, yeah, like I said, like you could definitely make stuff better. I could stop like, you know, certain triangles from, you know, not rendering correctly and things like that. But that's not the fun. This track is for the stupid bit of that title and thumbnail. Let me through this gap. How do I get through this hole? I need to get back down to that section of track. This car's too big. I should have chosen tank. We did it. Yeah, this corner's not great, and there's a lot of holes. The crowd is looking good. But yeah, this is what happens if you apply my Figure 8 circuit in a straight line to Rainbow Road, and then spend about like 3 days trying to actually, you know, make it work because the normal model file was too big, and the collision file was also too big, and it works. I don't know how I want to release this, but I probably will at some point. Enjoy.